Understanding Tear Down Walls, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, tear down walls. It's an idiom that holds a lot of power and meaning, and understanding it can really enrich your English comprehension. Let's dive into what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. First, let's look at the literal meaning of tear down and walls. Tear down means to destroy or demolish something physically. Walls are physical barriers in buildings or structures. So, literally, to tear down walls means to destroy physical barriers. But there's more to this phrase than its literal meaning. In English, tear down walls often has a figurative meaning. It's used to describe the action of removing barriers or obstacles, but these are not physical walls. Instead, they're metaphorical, representing things like prejudices, limitations, or misunderstandings that separate people or hinder progress. When someone says they're tearing down walls, they're usually talking about overcoming these intangible barriers. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. In personal relationships, by sharing our true feelings, we can tear down walls and build stronger connections. 2. In social context, the community project aimed to tear down walls of division and bring people together. 3. In professional settings, the new policy was designed to tear down walls between different departments. These examples show how versatile and powerful this phrase can be in various contexts. Historically, the phrase can evoke powerful images, like the fall of the Berlin Wall. In such contexts, it symbolizes the end of division and the start of a new era of unity. This historical reference adds depth to the phrase, giving it a sense of liberation and breakthrough. So, tear down walls is much more than a simple phrase. It's a symbol of overcoming barriers, whether they're in our minds, relationships, societies, or histories. It encapsulates a powerful message of unity, understanding, and progress. I hope this video helps you grasp the beauty and depth of this phrase and use it confidently in your English conversations. Keep learning and keep breaking down your language barriers.